Hello Stone Ridge family, my name is Miss Andrade and I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial of how to log into Google Classroom. When you log into Google Classroom, it must be done through either their tablet or the computer that was given to you when you picked up your child's materials. Now, when you log into the Chromebook or the tablet, you should use their email address, which is their first period last name at Stone Ridge Academy K through 12.org, and the password is uppercase S Stone Ridge 12 exclamation point. You will also use this when you're logging into Google Classroom. When you log into Google Classroom, you can either do it in both ways. You will go look for the Google Chrome, and you can search up on the bar Google Classroom, or you can go to the right-hand corner and you will find the waffle or the cube as they like to call it, and you should be able to find this picture somewhere around here. Now when you log in or when you go onto Google Classroom, you will use again your child's email address along with the password. Now it should take you to a page similar to this. If you do not see your child's classroom, you will have to input a code that was given to you by their teacher. If you do not have this code, please email or contact your teacher. And when you do, it will ask you to join the teacher's classroom. This is my classroom, Ms. Andrade's Genius Room, and these are other classrooms that I'm a part of. That is all. If you have any questions, again, contact your homeroom teacher.